Hi, I'm Todd Tullis. I'm a Senior Product Manager with Veeva Systems. I focus on Veeva Vault eTMF.
Hi Todd, so if you could tell us a little bit about what's new with the DIA TMF Reference Model?
Yeah, so the DIA TMF Reference Model volunteer effort has been going on for about 4 years. And recently, one of the most interesting things that's happened is we've formally developed a leadership structure. The use and adoption of the model has grown so much that we felt the need to make it a little more formal. So we've got a steering committee now. The TMF Reference Model Steering Committee has been formed. It's got 14 individuals from a variety of companies, both vendors, pharma, consultants, and sponsors, and CROs. This group has been appointed as formal leadership for the about 300 strong volunteer effort that is the TMF Reference Model group.
And what has the steering committee been working on?
So in the past 2 months, the steering committee has been focused on getting mobilized. We've developed a charter that outlines the responsibilities and roles in the steering committee. We've elected a chair, a vice chair, and a secretary, so some elected positions amongst the group. We've also formed some sub-teams to immediately focus on some of the core questions facing the DIA TMF reference model lately. And those sub-teams include change control, so how will the model change over time, includes a roadmap sub-team, so defining a 2 to 3 year roadmap for the various initiatives that will expand upon the work that's already been done. It includes a communications team, to help spread the word about the TMF reference model, and it includes a repository team, which will focus on having an official living space for all the artifacts that this large volunteer group creates. The other really important thing that the steering committee has done recently upon forming was develop a position for the OASIS eTMF standards initiative. So there's a technical committee under the OASIS standards group that has been started, and what we've done is we've assessed that committee and recommended to all the TMF reference model group members that if they are willing and able to participate in that standards committee, they should do so to make sure that the TMF reference model continues to be held up and can be used in this interoperability standard that's being developed.
And what else could we expect this year from the TMF reference model?
So this year, with the formation of the steering committee, first thing that we're doing is taking stock of the current working groups that are going on. So we've had several working groups, a usability working group, a quality control working group. We've had a couple other working groups, but the usability one is the one closest to delivering some deliverables, which include a usability guide and some materials to help people implement the TMF reference model, as that's been seen as one of the challenges in the field. And we're also gearing up for the 4th edition of our annual survey. The annual survey is a canvas of sponsored CROs that tells how they're using the TMF reference model. And then the last thing is we're gearing up next year for probably revising and making version 3.0 of the TMF reference model. It's been about 2 years since version 2.0, and we're looking forward to gearing up for the effort it takes to revise this model.